Hi, my name's Sean, and in this video we are going to walk through what it takes to be a software engineer. Anyone can code if they put their mind to it. Yep, I said it. It's always perceived as something really difficult. However, if you invest time to understand it, build things, and identify problems early, you will grow, become less frustrated, and eventually see the fun, rewarding side of it. Good skills I think to have as a programmer involve the following. You need to have patience. Have the tenacity to keep working through your challenges. Be inventive, thinking of better, faster ways to work effectively. Problem solving. Think through solutions and choose the best one. Communication, to avoid mistakes, speed up development and increase morale. For me, it's a huge one. Collaboration. Innovation is so much better when working as a team. Persistence. Don't let problems defeat you. Keep going. Humility. Be receptive to criticism and other people's ideas, and lose the ego. Helpful. Help others having issues, even if they are obvious, overlooked. Be adaptive. The tech world changes quite fast, so keep learning. Be respectful. Don't rewrite your teammates' code without a discussion beforehand. So what ways are there to learn? Well, there are two ways of learning, and both are equally as important. The first approach is reading about code. So when you open up a book on a train and flick through the pages of code examples and nod your head to say, so that's how you do that thing. You're building up your understanding of that language on an intellectual level only. Reading alone is not enough. If an employer sat you in front of a computer, you would not know what on earth to do, even if you had read 10 books on the subject. Musicians can't learn their instruments without playing the darn thing over and over again. So this brings us on to acting on code. So acting on code, when you're at home on a laptop or PC and you have a text editor open and you actively follow along by writing the code of a book or online course and confirm what you've written in the editor works, you are building up knowledge through the repetition of keystrokes. When something in your code fails and you are sitting there scratching your head in dismay, but you eventually work out what went wrong, if it happens again, you know how to tackle it, making you wiser and more experienced. This sums up my career in a nutshell, to be honest. In my experience, I tend to read books on theory, but any new programming languages or libraries I need to know, I will act on learning material by writing out the examples. Theory can be applied to any programming language. The games I've built in the past would introduce fresh new problems that I'd never come across before. Seriously, the experience I've gained on working on personal projects has been astounding.